Stefflon Don is a British singer, rapper and songwriter who rose to fame after her 2017 single Harden Me featuring French Montana peaked at number 7 on the UK singles chart. Her real name is Stephanie Allen. She was born on December 14, 1991 in Birmingham, United Kingdom. She is of Jamaican descent. She has 6 siblings. When she was 5 years old, her family moved to Rotterdam, Netherlands. But at the age of 14, she returned to Britain to study at a London school. At the age of 9, she recorded a Hard Knock Life hook for a rapper called Unique. She worked as a cake decorator and hairdresser before her career in music. She studied at Thomas More Comprehensive in Hackney, North London. In 2016, Allen released her debut mixtape Real Thing, followed by another mixtape Secure in 2018. In March 2019, she collaborated with Willie on the song Boasty. In March 2019, Dawn was featured on the Mariah Carey remix for the song Ah No No from her 2018 album Caution. In March 2018, Dawn was featured on the remix for American singer Halsey's Alone along with American rapper Big Sean. In March 2018, Dawn appeared on the front cover of the final print edition in the 66-year run of NME. On 29 November, Dawn took home the award for Best Female at the 2017 MOBO Awards. In the spring of 2017, Dawn was signed to 54 London, a subsidiary of Universal Music Group that was created just for her. The trio performed the song live for the first time in June 2018 at the Summertime Ball. On 15 August 2017, she released the lead single Harden Me with American rapper French Montana from her debut EP titled Harden Me, the EP which reached number 7 on the UK singles chart. The EP was later released on 12 January 2018. Dawn made her first appearance on an American song with the track London by singer Jeremy, and was later featured on Lil Yachty's Better from the album Teenage Emotions. On 16 December 2016, Dawn released her first mixtape titled Real Thing. She rose to fame with a single called Harden Me that featured rapper French Montana. She has been singing from an early age with her siblings. She had recorded a hook Hard Knock Life for a rapper named Unique. She is fluent in English, Dutch and Jamaican patois and had been rapping at an early age in studios in the Netherlands with her siblings.